Looking how old is Muttaji chapter 1. We are finished till the when was KRS built to you know Ajji in the last video. Now we will start. Ajji shook her head. I am not sure, but you can go with Ajja. Now what happened? The Ajji was there and she gave the hint to the children, like there was a KRS dam nearby, there is a Vrindavan garden. So we will go to the central library after lunch with the Ajja, and you will get the information about the Vrindavan garden and that KRS dam. In the library, Putti found a book on the history of the Mysore. Ajji shook her head. Now she shook her head means just nodded like kind of head. I am not sure, but you can go with Ajja to central library after lunch and find out. In the library, Putti found a book on the history of Mysore. Here it is. She whispered. Whispered means what? Saying very slowly. Two of Mysore's most visited tourist spots, the KRS Dam and the Vrindavan Garden, nearby were opened to the public in 1932. They got the year is 1932 that was open for the public. The twins agreed. Agreed means they started talking like that. Mean Muttaji had indeed married in 1932, 1844 year ago means 1932, and they are talking in the 2060. Then if we count that year, so it will be 84 year ago. So they got the 9332 means they got the year which the Muttaji got married. Which year? 1804 year ago. Okay. Muttaji think she was 16 when she got married, said Putti, but she could not have been 17 or 18. She doesn't have the year that she's thinking like I must be got married in 16, but she could have been 17 or 16 year की वो होगी. She also said was about 9 or 10 when her Bombay uncle told her about the clean train, said Putta. Now he remember that कि जब वो 10 year or 9 year की थी, that time she told about the clean train. Ajja may know what kind of that means. Might be Ajja was not, because we don't know what is meant by clean train and all. Ajja was in the reading room. Ajja whispered Putti. In the olden days, did people get dirty traveling by train? Now what happened that he asked them, did people got dirty by traveling by train? Is it true or false? Tell us. So Ajja was in the reading room. Ajja whispered Putti. In the olden days, did people get dirty traveling by the train? So he will ask to the Ajja. Ajja nodded. Nodded means nodded. He is saying yes. There were the steam engine which ran on the coal. Coal means koila, not electricity. Today's train was running on the electricity. He said, black coal dust using to fly out the chimney and the land on everyone and everything. Terrible means what happened when the train started running. The black coal dust was flying in the air and throughout the chimney, and everybody got terrible. That's it, Putti. His Putta. See now, electric train were the clean train. Now they got the idea why she's saying the clean train, because the electric train were the clean train. He pulled out a book on the Indian Railway. It says here he pointed that India's first electric train come on the India Bombay in 1925. Now they got the year in 1925. The electric train was run in Bombay, and nowadays it is called Mumbai. And Muttaji says she was about 9-10 said Putta. If she right, then Muttaji born in 1916. Okay, so they are talking about the 1915, and if we 1915 that time, and we will add here that time, so it will be 1916. But she could be wrong, founded Putta. Might be she will wrong because she didn't remember particular year. Only one way to make sure, said Putta, we have to find out if that big party of king and queen in Delhi, which is Muttaji said happened 5 years before she was born, happened in 1911. They ran back to the Ajja. Ajja was their grand party for the foreign kings who visit India around 1911. Ajja fronted. Fronted means 1911. He was remembering something. Why that date is familiar to me? Now he is saying yes, that date is little familiar to me. It's familiar means what? Well known. It was the year the gateway of the king was built in Bombay. That year what happened? Gateway of India was built in Bombay. Bombay means Mumbai. And yes, it was built to welcome the British Empire of India. George V. We will call that fifth. There must having been several grand parties, not one. There are so many parties because that is grand opening for the Gateway of India in 1911. Thanks, Ajja, cried the twins. They knew exactly how old was Muttaji was. 5 minutes later, the twins were racing toward the home. Muttaji, they panted, means rushing and shouting so much, rushing straight to her room. And did the Mysore Maharaja get his gold medal from King George V? Do you remember? वो बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम्हें पता है मुत्ता जी, आपको पता है किंग जॉर्ज वी मीन्स फिफ्थ जो था, जो फिफ्थ जॉर्ज किंग था, उसके हाथ से हमारे मैसूर के महाराजा को गोल्ड मेडल मिला था. Muttaji said happily. That it, George. What clever children are you? Now she said, yes, you are correct. आप लोग correct हो. What clever children you are. कितने होशियार बच्चे हो आप लोग. That means Muttaji, that you are born in 1916. You